Hey guys! Okay, now, first of all, if you're thinking, what is Miss Wardlaw doing wearing the same clothes in every picture? Well, I did all of these on Monday and I'm sending them out to you, so don't judge my clothes, okay? Alright, so today we're looking at pictographs. That's going to be lesson 15-2 in your book. And pictographs are kind of neat. The difference between a bar graph and a pictograph is, in a bar graph we color in each of the squares or each of the areas on the bar graph in order to represent the data that we have. But on a pictograph, we use a picture of what we want to use. Now, it doesn't really matter what the picture is. You could say it's going to be a check mark. That would be fine. You could say it's going to be a star. It doesn't matter. Whatever symbol you pick, it doesn't really matter, as long as you know what information goes in the graph, okay? So in this one, we're going to use the same information as we did yesterday, but we're going to represent each person with a smiley face. So for each person that voted that was their favorite color, we're going to use a smiley face. So red had 7 people, so we're going to put 7 smiley faces, 1 for each person. Okay, all right, blue had 3 people, so we're going to do 3 on that one. Purple had 4 people. Pink had 2 people. And green had 1 person. Okay, so it's the same information that we had yesterday, it's just in a different format or a different way of looking at it. And you can do the same thing with this one that you did yesterday. You can see how many students chose red as their favorite color. Not red. Chose red. 7. Or you could say how many students, which color had the most students. It's going to be the same red because it still had the most. When I read a pictograph, a lot of times I like to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I like to write my number out here just so I can remember what it was. Because otherwise, when I'm looking at my information or my data, I might get confused. And plus, we might not always have this here to fill it in. It might come already filled in, and you have to answer questions. So it's probably a good practice to count how many there are and write the number out beside it. That way you have those numbers there and ready to go whenever you have to answer questions. Okay, if you have any questions about today's lesson, please let me know. I miss you. Bye.